Have you ever wondered which node is bottlenecking your performance? Or which collection ate your time in preview? Now you can simply use my add-on called Geo Nodes Profiler. I'm selling it for $3 because I am not the best add-on engineer. If you found bugs, let me know. Open the Geometry Nodes editor, press N, and go to the Profiler tab. First, click Record Simulation and play the animation. When it finishes, click Stop Recording. For a clearer analysis, keep repeats set to 3 and click Build Heat Map. The add-on analyzes the node tree and highlights the main bottlenecks, red for the most expensive nodes and orange for less critical ones. Open the node timing spreadsheet to view the ranking. Click any results and Blender will automatically frame that node. Open the frame timing spreadsheet, find the slowest frame, and click it to jump directly to that frame. When you're finished, click Clear Heat Map to restore the original colors and labels. Next, enable Show Blender Timings to display Blender's built-in timing values above the nodes. If the issue affects the entire scene rather than a specific node, switch to Collections and run Fast Estimate. This quickly identifies the most complex collections. Use Accurate Estimate for measurements in milliseconds, then view the results through Performance or Hierarchy. But Accurate mode could take much more time because it will hide /show every collection and record it. Colors work the same way, so you can clear them afterwards. This is how Heat Profiler helps you move from a slow frame to a specific heavy node or collection.